Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a creative wooden kitchen tools furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creative wooden kitchen tools. In the world of culinary arts, the tools we use can significantly influence our cooking experience. Among these tools, wooden kitchen utensils stand out not only for their functionality but also for their aesthetic appeal. Crafted from various types of wood, these tools bring warmth and a touch of nature into our kitchens. This article explores the myriad creative wooden kitchen tools available, their benefits, and how they can elevate your cooking experience. The allure of wood in the kitchen. Wood has been a staple material in kitchens for centuries. Its natural beauty, durability, and versatility make it an ideal choice for a variety of kitchen tools. Unlike plastic or metal, wood offers a unique tactile experience and can enhance the flavors of food without imparting unwanted tastes or odors. Additionally, wooden tools are often more forgiving on cookware surfaces, reducing the risk of scratches and damage. Types of creative wooden kitchen tools. Wooden spoons. Wooden spoons are perhaps the most iconic kitchen tool. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks. Long-handled spoons are perfect for stirring large pots of soup or stew, while shorter ones are ideal for mixing smaller quantities. Some creative designs feature ergonomic handles or unique shapes that make them not only functional but also visually appealing. Spatulas. Wooden spatulas are essential for flipping pancakes, burgers, and other foods. Their flat, wide surfaces allow for easy maneuvering without damaging non-stick cookware. Creative wooden spatulas may come with decorative carvings or colorful finishes that add a pop of personality to your kitchen. Cutting boards. A good cutting board is crucial for any kitchen. Wooden cutting boards are not only durable but also gentle on knife blades, helping to maintain their sharpness. Many artisans create beautiful, handcrafted boards from different types of wood, showcasing unique grain patterns. Some boards even incorporate juice grooves or compartments for easy food preparation. Rolling pins. Rolling pins made from wood are a baker's best friend. They provide the perfect weight and balance for rolling out dough evenly. Creative designs include textured pins that imprint patterns onto dough, adding a decorative touch to cookies and pastries. Mortar and pestle. This ancient tool is essential for grinding spices, making pesto, or preparing guacamole. Wooden mortars and pestles are not only functional, but also add an earthy aesthetic to your kitchen counter. The weight of wood allows for effective grinding while being gentle on the ingredients. Salad tossers. Wooden salad tossers are perfect for mixing greens and dressings without bruising the leaves. Many sets come with matching salad bowls, creating a cohesive look for your dining table. Some creative designs feature intricate carvings or unique shapes that make them stand out. Utensil holders. A wooden utensil holder can keep your kitchen organized while adding a rustic charm to your countertop. Many holders are designed with compartments to separate various utensils, making them easily accessible during cooking. Coasters and trivets. Protecting your surfaces is essential when cooking or serving hot dishes. Wooden coasters and trivets not only serve this purpose, but also add an element of style to your dining area. Many artisans craft these items using reclaimed wood or unique designs that tell a story. Cheese boards. A beautifully crafted wooden cheese board can elevate any gathering. These boards often feature compartments for crackers and fruits, making them perfect for entertaining guests. Some boards come with personalized engravings or unique shapes that reflect individual tastes. Skewers. Wooden skewers are essential for grilling and barbecuing. Creative designs include reusable bamboo skewers that can be washed and reused, reducing waste while adding an eco-friendly element to your grilling experience. Benefits of using wooden kitchen tools. Durability. High-quality wooden tools can last for years with proper care. Unlike plastic utensils that may warp or melt over time, wood maintains its shape and integrity. Heat resistance. Wooden utensils do not conduct heat as metal does, making them safer to use when cooking over high temperatures. Non-reactive. Wood is non-reactive, meaning it won't interact with acidic foods like tomatoes or citrus, preserving the flavor of your dishes. Aesthetic appeal. Wooden kitchen tools add warmth and character to your kitchen decor. Their natural beauty can complement various design styles, from rustic to modern. Eco-friendly. Many wooden kitchen tools are made from sustainably sourced materials or reclaimed wood, making them a more environmentally friendly choice compared to plastic alternatives. Caring for wooden kitchen tools. To ensure the longevity of your wooden kitchen tools, proper care is essential. Washing. Always hand wash wooden utensils with mild soap and water. Avoid soaking them in water, as this can cause warping or cracking. Drying. After washing, dry your wooden tools immediately with a soft cloth to prevent moisture absorption. Oiling. Regularly apply food-safe mineral oil or beeswax to keep the wood hydrated and prevent it from drying out or cracking. Oiling. Regularly apply food-safe mineral oil or beeswax to keep the wood hydrated and prevent it from drying out or cracking. Storage. Store wooden utensils in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to prevent fading and warping. Creative DIY wooden kitchen tools. For those who enjoy crafting, making your own wooden kitchen tools can be a rewarding experience. Here are some ideas for DIY projects. Personalized spoons. Use a wood-burning tool to engrave names or designs onto wooden spoons for a personal touch. Custom cutting boards. Create a unique cutting board by combining different types of wood in a mosaic pattern. Hand-carved utensils. With some basic carving tools and techniques, you can create one-of-a-kind spatulas or serving spoons that showcase your artistic flair. Decorative wall hooks. Transform scrap wood into decorative wall hooks for hanging aprons or towels in your kitchen. Herb drying rack. Construct a simple herb drying rack using wooden dowels and twine to keep your fresh herbs organized and accessible. Creative wooden kitchen tools are more than just functional items. They are pieces of art that enhance our cooking experiences and bring a sense of warmth into our homes. From beautifully crafted spoons and cutting boards to unique serving platters and trivets, these tools offer both practicality and aesthetics. By incorporating wooden utensils into your culinary repertoire, you not only invest in durable tools, but also celebrate the beauty of nature within your kitchen space. As you explore the world of wooden kitchen tools, consider supporting local artisans who create handcrafted pieces that reflect individuality and craftsmanship. Whether you choose to purchase or create your own tools, embracing the charm of wood in the kitchen is sure to inspire creativity and joy in your cooking endeavors. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.